Hey everyone, I thought that I would just share with you this limited edition holiday pack that's offered by Olens until December 31st, 2021. So they sent me this actually huge holiday pack. It's massive and it is chock full of lenses. And this is like a super awesome Christmas gift to yourself or to someone else, because I think the value is like 50% off the normal prices of all these lenses. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got in this holiday pack. Okay, here's how it looks. It is just full of lenses. So the first thing you get is this super cute pair of tweezers to handle your lenses, but it comes with a super cute tweezer case, which I don't see very often. So of course you get the classic lens case with little lens holder and then a pair of tweezers. And these are their classic lens cases. And then you get a sample pack of their contact lens eye drops. They're called Moist Cushion Drops. Very moisturizing. I always have these in my car or in my purse, in my room, and they've come in handy a lot even with other people who have had dry eyes and stuff like that. Like when I'm just hanging out with them, they're just handy to have. So it's great to get samples. Okay, so let's get right into the lenses. Okay, so the first thing you get is this super cute limited edition 1-day kit, and it has the entire French Gold collection. 3-con French Gold. By the way, all these lenses I've reviewed. I have full reviews of all of these lenses on my channel, so just search my channel. The French Gold is, I would say, more suited for very dark brown eyes, but I just think it's so cute. But you might be able to interchange with a different limited edition set, so take a look at the options on this holiday edition. But because I have different prescriptions, they sent me one of each for each eye, basically, right? Next, you get a monthly pair. I got the Cherry Moon Brown, which also I have a review of. But I think you can also choose Scandi for the monthly. So check out the different choices. Again, there's 2 in each box. So if you have the same prescription for each eye, you can choose 2 monthly pairs, right? And then they sent me, this is like insane, they sent me 2 20-pack dailies, okay, of BB ring. They sent me gray. I have an entire BB ring collection on my channel, and their BB ring is one of their best lines in my opinion. It has an amazing prominent limbo ring to really bring out, frame, and define the eyes and enlarge the eyes. And these have no bug eye effect either. They're super natural. My favorite from the BB ring is the pink and the beige. I am obsessed with the pink and beige. So check those out on my channel. But I also really like gray. Gray also looks really, really good. And then the next thing you get is, this is amazing, the eyeliner collection in daily. So again, 2 20-packs of the eyeliner. You guys know how amazing the eyeliner glowy collection is from Olens. If you saw my collection review video, amazing design. It makes your eyes look like they're glowing and iridescent and just luminous. This patterning is phenomenal. So if you haven't seen that review, please check it out. So they sent me the eyeliner glowy black in 1 day, which I'm super happy with. Like, I can totally rock these on my next trip. Actually, I'm going somewhere for the holidays, so I am bringing both of these packs to my holiday trip. I think this entire kit is $150, which is literally half price off. I'll actually put the price down here, and then if you use my discount code Danica10 with a capital D, you get another 10% off. So if you're obsessed with lenses, literally just treat yourself to this holiday pack. It's so cute and you get so many different kinds. If you like daily lenses, this is like an amazing opportunity to take advantage of the price cuts. Lots more videos are to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.